Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about seborrheic dermatitis and how I use onion water to help remove the debris from the scalp. So according to healthline.com, seborrheic dermatitis is a skin condition that can cause rough scaly skin on the scalp and face. Having an itchy, flaky scalp is a common problem for many people. However, before you can figure out how to treat the condition, you must identify the cause. Two conditions that can lead to itchy scalp are psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis. Psoriasis is a chronic skin disease. It can cause skin cells to grow so quickly that they accumulate on the surface of the skin. Patches of scaly skin can appear anywhere on the body, including the scalp. According to mayoclinic.org, seborrheic dermatitis, called dandruff, seborrheic eczema, and seborrheic psoriasis. This can also affect oily areas of the body such as the face, sides of nose, eyebrows, ears, eyelids, and chest. As you can see here, my client's scalp has several patches all throughout her scalp. Now that you have removed the braids from the client's hair and combed it out with a wide tooth comb, now you can prepare her for the onion scalp treatment. Typically you would begin by removing the debris off the scalp with a toothbrush or a comb, but you don't have to do that for this particular treatment. You want to begin the treatment by massaging the scalp, lifting as much debris as you possibly can before you add the onion water. Now you want to take your freshly prepared onion water and spray it throughout the sections of the client's head, massaging it in gently. After you have applied it throughout the entire scalp or in the specific regions where you see the seborrheic dermatitis, take some time to give the client a full and complete scalp massage just to relax them before you prepare them for the dryer. Onions are known to be rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize breakage and thinning in hair. They also have potent antibacterial properties and help fight infections of the scalp. This in turn helps reduce hair fall, as scalp infections can cause massive hair loss. You'll also notice that the client has a plastic eye shield over her face. This helps reduce any of the dander or any debris falling into her eyes or on her eyelashes, especially if someone has eyelash extensions. I forgot to mention it in the beginning with the items that you needed, but just so you know, this is very, very helpful. As well as the rubber gloves which I also did not add into what you will need. So forgive me for that. But yes, these are two items that I like to have or I like to use while I'm doing these type of scalp treatments and removing this type of debris from the client's head. After you have completed this process, you want to move on by placing a plastic cap and the styling strip on your client's head in preparation for the dryer. The styling strip will provide protection towards the client's hairline as the seborrheic dermatitis is kind of sensitive to heat. Since the onion has a very strong odor, you certainly don't want your client walking around smelling like an onion head, so you want to go ahead and prepare her hair by rinsing it very thoroughly and applying the lemon rinse that you prepared. Using the applicator bottle that you prepared your lemon water in, squirt the lemon water onto the scalp and massage it in. Do this process for about 2 to 3 minutes to cancel out the smell of the onion. You're going to rinse the client's hair thoroughly and prepare it for shampooing. This is where you would use a shampoo or conditioner of your choice based on your client's needs. My client's texture of hair requires a lot of moisture, so I'm going to use a moisturizing shampoo and coordinating conditioner to maximize the moisture that she needs for her hair texture. Remember, when shampooing your client's hair, always keep the hair going back and into the shampoo bowl. Gently keep the hair going in one direction while you massage the scalp and release any residual residue or debris on the scalp. Massaging the scalp promotes blood flow and increases stimulation for hair growth. This client's scalp condition caused hair loss in the hairline area on both sides of her head. Through routine treatment and regular removal of her hair extensions, I was able to regrow her hairline to what it is now. So after you have successfully washed your client's hair, rinsed it very well, you will then apply the conditioner of your choice, place the plastic cap on your client, and place her under the dryer for approximately 10 minutes. From there, you will rinse her hair and prepare her for having her hair dried, braided, or whatever hairstyle you desire at the time. Now you're going to stretch your client's hair if she has naturally curly hair. If you have successfully moisturized the hair, you should not have any problem stretching the hair without catching the blow dryer, pick, brush, comb, or whatever it is that you use. It should not get caught up in her hair. It should just blow dry out nicely. I personally like to use a leave-in when I'm blow drying, so that when I do finish, I have a nice, beautiful platform to work with like this here. Clean and free of debris. So, as a part of my client's protective style regimen, she wears a sorority hair U-part wig. I am now going to braid her hair down in preparation to install this unit. My hair growth success has been based on the tension-free braiding that I provide for my clients as they're wearing their protective style. I also provide an oil, a light oil, right to the base of the scalp. This cannot be a tea tree or some type of minty oil, because that type of oil actually is best used prior to a wash, but it overstimulates if it's left on the scalp, and then especially if it's worn underneath a weave or a hair unit. I know you can see the hair that I have clipped away as the leave out is relatively shorter than the rest of the client's hair. If you saw it before and where it was and where it is now, you would understand why I am like really excited to see the progress that her hair has made since I've been working on it. It's very exciting to see how much hair is there prior to what was there. Your client should be well relaxed and feeling absolutely no tension with you braiding their hair. In fact, you'll see my client's head kind of doze off or nod off. That is just how light my hand is while I'm braiding hair. Now you're going to prepare your client with the hair augmentation of their desire. So now I'm going to attach my client's desired method of protective styling, which is the sorority hair U-part wig. We're going to just sew it all around the edges, and then we will complete her style by blending it in. This type of almost instant weave makes it easier for me to wash her hair on a regular basis and keep up with the scalp condition. And keep her scalp condition in check. If you have made the correct size for your client's head in terms of the wig, it should lay just as flat as a customary sew-in weave.